Hello guys, you're welcome back to Uko Matching TV. On today's video, we are going to make it a very special one. So I want you to watch at this video from the beginning to the end and give it a name on your own special way. Thank you. Let's go to the introduction of the ingredients. Here we have blended corn, salt, stock cube, onions, fresh pepper, crayfish, vegetable oil, and coconut. Yes, I break and blend my coconuts in a blender. Thereafter, you will see that I'm going to extract the juice that I'm going to use to cook the corn cake. The water from the coconut is going to be useful, so do not waste it out. Hot water will help to extract the juice more faster, and that is what I'm using. Then I'm adding the coconut water, vegetable oil, onions, fresh pepper, crayfish, salt, and stock cube. Then I stir in together, then put it on the fire and allow it to boil before adding in the corn flour. Once the water started boiling, reduce the heat and now add in the corn and stir continuously to avoid it from having lumps. But the best way is to reduce your heat to a minimum. Then you can stir and mix it till everything is well cooperated. Stir it very well and allow it to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can off the fire. This food is best with fried rice, jollof rice, beans, and so on and so forth. Immediately it is pulled out of heat, you have to portion it to your desired bowl to get the shape you are looking for. And then once it is cooled, you will achieve that shape and can be served later or now. Meanwhile, how do you call this? Let's know in the comment section. And thank you for watching. God bless you. We love you, but God loves you most. Wow.